What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Trick 10s. I wanted to show you guys this hatch that I built because this thing is pretty sweet. It's actually a live well. It's all in one box, and it does have the compression black key lock handle on it, and it's got some cool gas pistons on it. I think it's pretty sweet. This is a gigantic live well. This is for an electric only boat for a guy who bass fishes. Now, it looks like an aquarium. You'll be able to see every bass in here. You don't even need cull tags, because you can see which one is bigger than the other ones. But I can make anything custom like this if you guys are interested in something. Now, this one has the gas pistons in it, so I did have to do some reinforcements for that. I added these hatch sections like an H because this is a humongous hatch. It's 22 inches by 38 inches, and the box on it makes it 11 inches deep. Now, he's gonna cut all his holes in here for the fittings for his live well and his recirculate pump and his drain. He just wanted me to fabricate the box for him. So I'm not exactly sure what boat this thing's going into, but it's gotta be a pretty good sized boat to have a live well this size. And this whole box that's on here, it's welded solid. You can see up under the face here, completely around the entire box. Make sure this thing is waterproof. You don't have to worry about anything leaking or anything like that, because it's got a solid weld wrapped all the way around it. Something like this come in right around $800 to $1,000. We could get it powder coated. If you wanted me to do the drain, might add a little more to it, but it's pretty simple to put something like this together. This is probably a little bit bigger than what you would need. If you guys are interested in getting something like this made, just send me an email at professionalwelding@gmail.com and get this thing out. Customers coming to pick it up tomorrow. Get back to work.